Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Countryman. The Countryman is a bright idea. 4 doors, more interior space, and positioning that evokes the rally heritage of the original Mini. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, lane departure warning, center armrest, trip computer, clock, electronic stability control, heated front seats, brake assist, cargo net. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.